Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are decorating a spread for the week of July 1st through the 7th in my classic size horizontal happy planner that I use for journaling. So I'm going to be using some stickers available in my shop. All stickers, everything in my shop is 30% off through July 4th if you use the code 4th and the number 30, all capital letters, 4th30. That is pleasantlyplanned.com. So these are called vacation days. I'm going to be using the matching kit, and I need to grab the mini sticker sheet as well. I also picked out 2 washi tapes. We'll see if I'm going to use these at all, but they match like the brown, I don't know, the retro brown color in these stickers. So I'm excited to use those, or try to use those at least. So let's go ahead and get started. So I think to start with, I'm going to just lay down some washi, and I really hope I have enough of this washi left. So I think I'm going to put some down here. I'm going to try really hard to line this one up because I'm almost out of this washi. This is some of my Temu haul washi. So you'll be able to find this on Temu, but I don't know where else you might be able to find this kind of washi, or this exact color washi, I should say. Amazon does have some grid washis, so if you wanted to try to find some on Amazon, you could. And that's probably what I'll have to do because I am running really low on this brown color. And then I think I want to do the opposite here on this side. So I think we're going to go here. Maybe to like right, oops, there. And then some down at the bottom down here. And then we will start decorating. I'm going to straighten this up just a little bit. It's kind of crooked. Okay, so I think what I want to do is like little clusters around the washi if I can. So let's go ahead. I'm going to start with some boxes, and I love this blue color. I really love this blue color. So I think we're going to put the blue like right in here and kind of cluster around it. I was debating on whether or not I'm going to white out, but I think I am going to go ahead and white out this gray line. Come here. Ah, I'm out. Let me grab another whiteout. I always have a stash. Always have a stash of whiteout and not correction tape. Tape runner. All right, so we got that one down. Let's just go ahead and finish laying boxes down. So I think I'm going to do a pink one. And I think we'll do the pink one like here. I did this spread already for last week, but like I said, I didn't post any of those videos just because I was, like I said in my last video, I was just I was dealing with some anxiety and depression issues, and I really didn't want that to like overflow onto you guys. So I'm trying to remake this to the best of my ability. To see if I can remake it. I did write for the most part in my journal this week, but not like I like to. It was more like just speedy. There was not much thought put into anything that I wrote in this journal last week or for the current week because I'm filming on Saturday. So we're going to do it again. I love this spread so much. We're just going to do it again. And I wanted to show you guys how to use your vacation days stickers. Okay, so I think that's about it for boxes. I'm going to take this small sheet, and I'm going to take this little beach scene and put down here, and then I'm going to put a quote with it. Do you see what I just did? I hope it straightens up. There we go. Okay. Let's cut this off. And then we're going to take a quote. So I'm going to use both summer quotes and 4 and 5 from my shop. for this down here, I want to do Hello Sunshine. And I'm going to try to line it up on a line here. Perfect. Okay, and then I really want to use trees, so why don't we take this tree. This is pretty much what I did on the last spread, like I said. And I'm going to actually cut this fairly straight across the bottom, you know, because it's me and I don't cut exactly straight. But I want this tree sticker to sit right above this box. And so I'm actually going to peel up the pink box some and kind of lay this tree over top of it. So hopefully this will come up and not really rip my page. There we go. Okay, and then now let's just fill in like I did. I know you guys can't see, but like I did on the other side, I just kind of filled in with some cute flip-flops. I think I'm going to use these, the bigger ones. And I'm just going to pick up the edge of this brown box, just lay the flip-flops under, just so I don't have to cut anything. It's so cute. I love it. I love this spread. And then I want to take the camera. So I think we're going to take the camera. And when I did this spread last time, this is a really large camera. I used the mini sheet for a lot of this stuff, but I'm going to just switch up just a little bit. This is one of the ones that I used. Uh-oh, I can't use that. It's not cut very well. So we're going to use the big camera and pretend it's small. So we're going to cut it on the side so that it just kind of sits right here up against this box. Adorable. I love it. Okay. And then let's just go ahead and finish this side. So what I did was I took some of this gold foil brown lined washi, and I just put at the bottom of the pink box. I love taking washi in my boxes. It just gives the boxes just a little bit extra color, brings some pops of color into the spread other than the stickers. So there's that. And then we're going to do this at the bottom, the top of my brown box. Trying to line this up so I don't have to cut both ends. Trying not to waste my washi, but sometimes it is what it is. Cut my box a little bit. All right, so now let's go to the other side. This side I think is pretty much done. So we're going to take this pink box, and I just kind of want to decorate around it. And I think we're going to put this little drink here. And I'm actually just going to go ahead and take my little corner cutting tool, wherever it's at, here. And we're just going to cut like right in here so that this sticker can just kind of sit right around the edge of this box. I'm trying to get it in there as tight as I can. All right, that's cute. And then let's take this one, and we're just going to cut just a tiny bit off the edge of the fruit. So we're going to sit it a little bit crooked. I'm just going to nip off, let's see. Actually, I'm just going to try to lift the box a little bit. because I didn't want to cut off that little piece there. Perfect. Okay, that's perfect. All right, so now let's go up top to this box and use this one just like off the corner here. Oops, I got sticker pieces falling. Okay, that's pretty. And then what I did is I took Lazy Days of Summer. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take Lazy Days of Summer. Oh no, I cut this wrong. Oh, I cut the wrong. I just sent one of these to Lone too. Lone, if you're watching this, I apologize that I sent you a summer quotes that's cut wrong. So if I sent this to you, let me know and I'll send you one that's correct. I'm sorry. Sometimes it happens. Probably what I did was I cut summer quotes 4 and 5 at the same time, and so I didn't change the cut settings, or not the cut settings, the actual file. So yeah, it happens, but I'm going to piece this together. I'm going to piece it together and try to make it work for the sake of this video. Alright, so we got that there. It's going to take me a little bit of work, but we'll get there. We'll get it. And then this one. Come here. And if I ever send you guys stickers like this, please don't hesitate to let me know. I mean, because accidents do happen. I certainly didn't do this on purpose, because had I not done this, my day would have been a lot easier. Alright, I'm going to have to get my head like way down in here to see this. So let me do this off camera. Okay, I did it. Sorry about that, y'all. So that's trash. Okay. And then we're going to take the passport, put the passport up here. I'm just going to cut a little bit of the passport off to kind of make it lay up against the box like the other one, like the camera. And then I'm going to take another pair of flip-flops and lay on the side of this box. I'm going to pick this box up if I can. Perfect. Okay. I love it. Let's see. Okay, so we just need to do the washi over here. I used a whole sticker sheet instead of using the mini, which this mini is one that I had set off to the side because I didn't cut it all the way through on all the stickers. These are ones that I did for myself, and I forgot to change the cut settings. So anyways, let's take some of this brown and come down here at the bottom of this pink box. Okay, and then we're going to put it at the top of the blue box. Perfect. And then the spread will be done. Love it. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. I love it so much. So much. Okay, let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you follow me over on Instagram. So this is what it looks like in my planner. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on my next one. Love you guys. Bye, y'all.